Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a lightweight drone that delivers amazing image quality and long flight time, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo is one of the best options available. Weighing under 249 grams, it's compact, travel-friendly, and easy to carry almost anywhere. It records stunning 4K HDR videos and captures beautiful photos with excellent color and detail. One of its standout features is true vertical shooting, making it perfect for creating TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts without cropping your footage. The Fly More Combo includes 3 intelligent batteries, giving you up to 114 minutes of total flight time, so you can spend more time flying and less time charging. The included DJI RC controller features a built-in display, allowing you to fly without connecting your smartphone. With a 10 km HD video transmission range, GPS positioning, and return to home, the Mini 3 provides a smooth, reliable, and beginner-friendly flying experience. Intelligent flight modes also help you capture cinematic aerial shots with minimal effort. The only downside is that it doesn't include advanced obstacle avoidance found on DJI's higher-end models, so you'll still need to fly carefully. Overall, if you want a compact drone with incredible 4K video quality, excellent battery life, and outstanding value, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo is an easy recommendation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews.